Hey y'all, on this episode of Judge Your Mama Not Me, we're gonna make some blackened shrimp Alfredo. Now I like a fresh crunch to my home style Alfredo, so I add bell pepper, green and yellow, and a sweet onion. Now this next step is where some of y'all may go wrong. Your water needs to be seasoned, so I add salt and a couple other things to add a little flair to the pasta. Before I add anything to this cast iron, including oil, I get it hot first. Reason being is that I'm trying to get color with the sear on these shrimp. If you start off with the cold cast iron, you're sure to overcook them. After I get a little bit of color on both sides, I'll remove the shrimp and add in my vegetables and a little bit of butter. Okay, come here. I want y'all to lean in real close. Judge your mama, not me. I'm gonna use a can of this garlic jarred Alfredo sauce, and I'm gonna add some pasta water to it to make sure I get every bit of that goodness in the pot. Okay, that was a little aggressive, I apologize. I'm still going to add in some heavy cream and cheese, give everything a good mix, add in some seasonings. This is an Italian blend, some black pepper, and I'm even gonna add in some fresh parsley. All right, once your sauce comes together, add your hot noodles fresh out of that pasta water. It's okay to bring over some pasta water to the sauce too if it's too thick for you. Toss those noodles around, give them a good coat of that sauce, and then you're ready to plate up. I'm giving my plate a little razzle dazzle with some herb oil. I'm gonna use tongs and a ladle to get a mound of pasta. I'm simply gonna twirl the pasta around in the ladle and then scoop everything right over to the plate, just like this. I'm gonna go in over the top with a little bit of extra sauce, and then I'm gonna place my shrimp right on the top of all of that. All right, I'm Chef Mimi Jade. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like and follow for more easy shortcut recipes.